CHEM2125, welcome. We're about to make nylon. This is so much fun. This is kind of a mini fun lab at the end of this semester. We're going to do a polymerization, but what's awesome about it is it's also an amide bond forming. So it's nice at the end of this semester of OChem2 when we learn how to make an amide bond. We're going to take an acid chloride, and our acid chloride will react with an amine, but it's on both ends of our molecules, so it's going to keep reacting. We'll make one amide bond, and then our tail can make another amide bond, and that tail can make another amide bond. So it actually forms very quickly, and it's a type of a polymerization making that amide bond. So we already have all three of our components set aside and ready to mix. When we make our nylon, it's actually a pretty fast procedure. Polymerizations tend to happen very rapidly. And so I'm going to actually mix first the solution of water and ethanol that we're going to soak our nylon in, just so it's already made and out of the way, because as soon as we make our nylons, you'll see it. It's quite immediate, and it'll keep forming as we pull it out of solution. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and just mix our water and ethanol. And we're going to use this to rinse our final product. So I'll kind of mix that and set it aside. And then we're going to take our acid chloride. In this case, it's got a nice long chain in the middle. Common name is silicate chloride. If that doesn't match your lab prep, it's because this is actually the common name. So I need to take only a milliliter. Well, I've already pipetted that into the beaker. Miss Jenny, help me.
Yeah,
0.4, not 1. And now I'm going to dilute it with DCM. We're not going to add this just pure, because this polymerization happens so fast. We actually want it to happen as a layer with our amine. So I'm going to add the dichloromethane. I'm going to give it a nice swirl in between. Make sure I'm really dissolving that silicate chloride. Okay. So this is our first reagent. This is our acid chloride in DCM. Then our second reagent is our diamine. So I'm going to do the same thing and dilute our amine. Our amine is actually a solid. So this has already been weighed out for us. This is a nice solid. We've got 0.2 grams. Okay, so I'm taking my diamine and I've added water. And now I'm going to add a little sodium hydroxide. And let's give that a swirl. Let's see if we can't get that to at least be a little miscible. Okay, so this is my amine, and this is my silicate chloride. Now, our DCM is more dense than water. Even though it's organic, it's going to be on the bottom. So the trick is going to be to keep the two layers. Our reaction will happen at that layer interface. So I need to pour this and keep it on the top layer of this one. So I'm going to kind of tilt to the side, and I'm going to pour gentle. You can see a reaction happening already as I'm pouring. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a jellyfish. Okay, let me see if I can hook that and start to pull it out slowly and get it to it's stuck to my side. Hang on. I'm sorry, Jenny, I'm on the wrong camera side. You want to switch? How cool is that? I'm just going to keep rolling until I run out of product.
Cool. That's pretty cool, right?
Did you get down in the beaker?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see what it looks like down in the beaker?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that cool?
It's still going. So it's easier with the spatula.
I think so.
The wire just got it up.
It gets a little bit stuck to the, excuse me, the side of the beaker. That's when it tears.
Still going.
I wonder if I pull this way, if that's better. Oh, that's better. Straight out of the middle.
They all break. This is cool.
Still going.
Are we done? Still going.
It's kind of breaking apart now. It might be close to done. It's getting pretty thin. I think it's done. Do you mind grabbing a couple paper towels? I think you're supposed to put it on paper towels, right? Maybe paper.